Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you how I do my eyebrows. uh, I had applied some oil, this one, because I want to grow them, because clearly they are almost non-existent. So here we go. This is my eye pencil. It's black and I can see a name on it, so there we go. So I usually draw some lines and I hope they don't come out dramatic. I usually draw some lines and then I fill them on. Let's see. So I'm using this camera as my mirror. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the music that is playing from my neighbor. I hope they actually look like sisters, if not twins. So that is how I do my eyebrows. Do you think they look like sisters or cousins or twins? Yeah, I think they look amazing. I usually don't line them with concealer, or what do you guys use? I usually don't line them, so once I draw them, that's it. So don't forget to subscribe and share and comment and tell a friend. Bye.